Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, hi, my name is Abba, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking my video to watch again. Today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, is a makeup unboxing haul, whatever you want to call it. I got a couple of new makeup and new skincare products over the week, I should say, yeah, and I thought, why not unbox them with you guys? And so as I was saying, right, I just thought I'd unbox them with you guys and then share what I think about them, yeah, in terms of like delivery, customer service, all of that, because most of these are Ghanaian brands. And yeah, so without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. So the product I want to show you guys first is this package right here. This is from Nokware Skincare. Yeah, Nokware Skincare. For those of you that don't speak Chi, Nokware translates to truth in Chi, which is a Ghanaian dialect. So yeah, I got a bunch of things, so let's just dig in. So I got this is the Nokware Skincare Need for Neem Facial Cleanser. So this has 2% BHA. If you don't know what BHAs are, they are basically acids that are great for your skin. If you have like acne and all of that, just want to see that I am recording. Yeah, so I got this. There's a lot of good reviews about Nokware, so I am really excited to try out their product. Let's see how it smells. It doesn't have an exactly pleasant smell, which I'm not surprised because it's supposed to be it's supposed to be black soap, so yeah, but it's good because it's not like overly scented. So yeah, it has neem oil, hemp seed oil, and aloe in it, and it's great for acne and acne prone skin. I'm going to definitely be giving these a try, or well, this a try, and if you guys want an in-depth review, just let me know. So next I got this is the Nokware argan oil. I've been hearing a lot of great things about argan oil for the skin, and so I'm really excited to try this. And this smells like oil, but like oil that has nice scents. If you guys cannot really tell, I like to smell things, so don't be surprised if I keep smelling everything. I tend to buy acne, oily, skin prone products because they tend to work better for my skin. Yeah, so argan oil can be used for the face, can be used for the hair, can be used for the body, wherever you want to use it. Anyway, so still digging in, I also got the Nokware How About Now. I really like the name. This smells like mint. The shade or the flavor this is in is sweet mint. And next is the Nokware Skincare Activated Charcoal Black Soap. Looks like this. This was also recommended on their website for oily skin, acne prone skin. So if you have oily skin or acne prone skin and you are looking to try anything from Nokware, this was recommended on their website. I'm just going to take the rubber off and smell it. Smells like black soap. By the time I finish this video, I'll have a cold. Anyways, so yeah, I didn't show you guys. So I also got samples of their black soap and then their shea butters. So let me just untie this. So their samples come in like all their 4 types of shea butter. So there's all 4. I wanted to try this out before I committed to, you know, a full jar. So yeah, I'm going to try these. Here are the samples for the black soaps too. People, their packaging is everything. Like this is the neem oil black soap, the activated charcoal black soap, the original African black soap, and then the shea and baobab oil. So yeah, there's also that. So that's it for Nokware skincare. If you'd like to get any of the Nokware skincare products, they have a website you can order directly from. They also take orders via DMs, if I'm not mistaken. If you check their page, which I'm going to probably leave here or in the description box, you will find, you know, directions to their store in case you want to go and purchase some products. For delivery, delivery was really quick. The same day that I placed the order was the same day that I received the product. So yeah, very good. Customer service on point, all of that good stuff. So yeah, so the next batch of products, I got things from Evita Joseph. If you guys probably follow me on the gram, if you guys probably follow me on my Instagram, you know that I always use Evita Joseph products. Like, I am obsessed. So this is the Evita Joseph lip gloss in Utility. This is a really nice nude. Just look at that. Oh, this is a really pretty nude. Let me wipe that off. Yeah, so I got this, and then I also got these. So these are the Annette B and the Evita Joseph brushes. Look at that. Oh my god, this is so fluffy. It's like, it's so full. I really can't wait to try this. Feels good. This is the AB20. This is a powder brush. And I also got this. This is the Annette B and Evita Joseph AB10. I've heard a lot of good things about this particular brush. Apparently you can use it for every single thing, from foundation to concealer to contouring to setting. Everything you want to do with this brush, you can do it. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these both. They came in, you know, standard Evita Joseph pouch. With Evita Joseph, I also ordered from their website. I ordered like in the middle of the night and then it came like in the morning. With Evita Joseph, the delivery rates are standard. I think it's 20 flat rates, like to all parts of Accra, which is really good because some people will be charging ridiculous prices. Anyways, yeah, which is really good. So if you want to order something from Evita Joseph, their website is the place to go. And yeah, that's the second thing I got. I'm really excited to try all these out because who doesn't like new stuff? So next up, I got a couple of products also from Newborn Beauty. So I got their hydrating makeup base. Let's open this up. Okay, this is small for the amount of money you pay. Smells nice. Yeah, it's not exactly overpowering or anything, but it smells nice. Feels soft. Feels really soft on the skin and smells nice. Yeah, I like the smell. Yeah, it smells good. I also got oil control setting powder. Is this how it's supposed to come? It looks like it's pouring all over the place, but I know that powder is supposed to come with like a rubber, you know, protecting it from pouring. I guess this doesn't come with that rubber, so yeah. So I got this in the shade mustard. So yeah, this, and then also got the Nuban Beauty in my skin concealer. So I got this in the shade 046. It's actually quite light. It's quite light. I was actually contemplating between this shade and 047, which is like darker than this one. I feel like I should have gone with 047. So yeah, there's also this. Yeah, I feel like of all the things I got, the delivery prices cost the most when it came to the Nuban Beauty things. The delivery was outrageous, very, very outrageous. Like, I don't even want to dwell on it. So yeah, next up is Everything Beauty. I got my favorite brow pencil, the Evita Joseph brow pencil in Midnight Drop. Very, very good for dark skin. Love it. So yeah, I got this, and then I also got a Juvia's Place palette. My whole life I haven't owned one of this, so yeah, this is the Zulu palette. The shades are so pretty. This is so exciting. Look. Aren't these beautiful? Thinking of all the blush shades in here. Look at that. And then the last thing for today is I got a new foundation, the NARS Radiant Creamy I almost said NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I have the concealer and I love it. So yeah, the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Yeah, I got this in the shade Namibia. Very, very pretty. Let me just show you from here. So this is how it looks like. Very, very rich. Let's put you back, sis. Yeah, I've been wanting to try this foundation for a really long time because it's quite hyped. Take my coins. I got the foundation from Urban 101, or is it Urban Makeup? I think it's Urban 101. Like, yeah. And they also added a gift, a beauty blender for me. That is all for my little makeup haul, makeup unboxing video. If you guys would like to see me review like specific products, please let me know in the comment section. I will love to, of course. Why not? Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Let me know which of the products you might want to try. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share and all of that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.